In this video, I'm going to show you how to use LuxAlgo Fair Value Gap Indicator. So the first thing you have to do, you want to go to their official website on luxalgo.com and you want to sign into your account or create one if you don't have it yet, and then click on Library at the top right here. And inside library, just look for fair value gap. So fair value gap like this. And as you can see, it's going to pop up a bunch of different things. And then you have like a lot of these. Okay, so we can go ahead and just select the one you want here. As you can see, there's going to be a bunch of different ones. I'm going to just use this one, which is the basic fair value gap. I'm going to click on it. And when you do that, you can scroll down a bit to actually see the preview on your chart. And then if you scroll down some more, you'll be able to kind of see the tutorial for that as well. You can basically see kind of the settings, the rules, etc. So if you're interested in a in-depth tutorial, go ahead and read this for sure. And then to use it on here, it's going to allow you to use it on the following platforms. You have TradingView, NinjaTrader, MT4, MT5, or Thinkorswim. So just select the one you want to use that on. For example, like MT4, click on Get Access, and it's going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to set it up. Now you can do this for any of these, but if you don't care where to use it, you just want to use it as quick as possible, you should use this TradingView here because you can just click on Get Access and then Get Access again, and it's very easy to use. I'm going to show you right now. You simply want to sign into TradingView. If you don't have an account, you can just create one. It's very quick and easy. Then click on the Use on Chart button down here, and it's going to open up a separate chart, and that chart is going to have the fair value gap indicator on it like this. So as you can see here, this is the fair value gap indicator. You can go ahead and even change its settings over here at the top left, and then you can change inputs, style, visibility, stuff like that, and you can then use it right on here on the chart for your technical analysis. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.